Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord. Well, it looks like your Discord installation is corrupt error. Right-click taskbar. Click Start Task Manager. Select discord.exe, click End Process. Click Start, Control Panel. Click Uninstall Programs. Select Discord, click Uninstall. Click Start button. Type %app data %. Press Enter key. Delete Discord folder. Click Start button, type %, local app data, %. Press Enter key. Delete Discord folder. Restart system. Type Discord download in browser search bar. Click Discord downloads. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Install to install .NET 4.5. Log in with existing username and password or sign up to create new user account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.